डू यू नो या पुस्तकाचे बिरेस्तारा पर्यावरण आणि वारसो मोगी प्राध्यापक प्रज्वल साकरदांडे हांच्या हस्तुकी अनावरण जाले। या वेळार ज्येष्ठ पत्रकार आणि संपादक सागर जावडेकर आणि पुस्तकाचे लेखक हाजीर असले। या वेळार उलयतना डू यू नो या पुस्तकात साबार महत्वाच्यो गजाली बरयल्यात या खातीर प्राध्यापक प्रज्वल साकरदांडे हांणी लेखकाची तोखणाय केली। RDX गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट।
It gives me a lot of pleasure to introduce to my files attended in the world of literature, to which I always had dreamed of, and I thank the Almighty Allah for fulfilling my dream as a writer. Although the literature had always fascinated me, and social service is my agenda, I consider writing a book like such would definitely be a force for the youngsters as well as those who like to keep themselves informative.
What I appreciate of this man is that after retirement, people usually they are sort of fed up of life and they don't know what to do. Manzoor Bhai has found a mission, and that mission is writing. I do not know his age, but he has written a very informative book. Why I am saying this is, sometimes when you talk to the students, I don't blame them. The system is like that. Like one of the students was asked, I was very embarrassed with that. She was asked who was the first chief minister of Goa. So she said Baba Saheb Ambedkar, and I was really shocked, because if this is the amount of knowledge that we have or we impart, so I really appreciate Manzoor Bhai for doing this. One more book he could write is the contribution of Muslims to the post-liberation history of Goa. Now he has written about the post-liberation history of Goa from 1961 to 2017. All the ministers who had contested, which constituencies, how many constituencies were there, all the information, vital information is there.